Good morning, class 4. Hope you are fine at home. Today I am going to start new revision of chapter 2. Okay, subject and predicate. So students, please open page number 7, chapter number 2, subject and predicate. You are knowing that a sentence is given. You have to understand which one is subject and which one is predicate. Here the examples are given. Let's see the example. We are going to Mumbai. We is a subject. Are going to Mumbai is a predicate. My elder brother plays cricket. My elder brother plays cricket. Subject is my elder brother. Predicate is plays cricket. आपसे पूछा जा सकता है what is subject? You will write the person or a thing we speak about is called subject. Example, we are going to Mumbai. We is a subject. आपसे ये भी पूछ सकता है what is predicate? You will write the part of a sentence which says something about the subject is called a predicate. Example, we are going to Mumbai. We have explained predicate. Are going to Mumbai is a predicate. Okay, कुछ और बातें हैं, आइए देखते हैं. A sentence has a subject which may be single word or group of word which tells us who or what does something. ये आपके लिए information है. The part of sentence which says something about the subject is called predicate. कोई भी part of sentence आपको subject के बारे में बता रहा है वो क्या कहलाएगा? predicate कहलाएगा. The predicate part always starts with a verb till end. कोई भी predicate part start किससे होता है? verb से. प्रेडिकेट पार्ट स्टार्ट होता है और वर्ब से एंड होता है. द प्रेडिकेट में स्पीक एन एक्शन, क्वालिटी और पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. कोई भी प्रेडिकेट जब वो बोलता है या कोई एक्शन करते हैं, क्वालिटी जो होती है या जो पर्सनालिटी होती है वो सब्जेक्ट की होती है. लेट्स सी द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ योर बुक. ए पार्ट क्या है? अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. आपको अंडरलाइन करना है जो सब्जेक्ट हैं. सेंटेंस पहला क्या है? द बॉयज ब्रॉट बुक्स. द बॉय इज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड रेस्ट ऑफ इट प्रेडिकेट. द बर्ड्स, बिग बर्ड्स flying high in the sky. The big birds are subject, rest of it is a predicate. The police caught the robber. The police is a subject and rest of it is a predicate. The squirrel live on the tree. The squirrel is a subject and rest of it is a predicate. He and his mother are going to a mall. He and his mother, it is a subject and the rest of it is a predicate. The mangoes are yellow. The mango is a subject and the rest of it is a predicate. My grandparents live in a village. My grandparents is a subject and the rest of it is a predicate. We should always respect the teachers. We is a subject and rest of it is a predicate. Shivaji was a brave warrior. Shivaji, it is a subject and rest of it is a predicate. आपको अब बी पार्ट में क्या करना है, अंडरलाइन करना है क्या, प्रेडिकेट. अंडरलाइन प्रेडिकेट इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. Children play with the toy. Play with the toy is a predicate. The teacher was teaching in the class. Was teaching in the class is a predicate. Cows graze green grass. Graze green grass. This is a predicate. Lucknow is a capital city. Is a capital city. Ostrich run very fast. Runs very fast is a predicate. You will underline. In the examination it is asked. Underline the predicate section or underline the subject part or match the subject and predicate properly. Like this the question will ask. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved India. Loved India is a predicate. My grandma is telling a story. Is telling a story, it is a predicate. All the students in my class were naughty. Were naughty is a predicate. My sister has read all the letter. Has read all the letters. It is a predicate. C. Add predicates to the following subject. आपको predicate को add करना है following subjects में. यहाँ पे subject आपके दिए हैं. He is a good person is a subject. The poor boy is selling fruits, vegetable, whatever you are knowing you can write. Children play with toys. Play with toys a predicate. predicate मतलब पीछे. predicate मतलब क्या होता है, जो पार्ट सेंटेंस का होता है वो किसके बारे में, सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं, predicate. A blind man is talented. Bird flew away. Dog barks on thieves. Okay. The horse ran fast. Boys are playing games. My mother cooks food. The teacher teaches in classroom. Add the subject of the following. You have to add the subject. Mr. Sharma is my class teacher or my teacher. I am fond of toffees. The sun is rising. My brother slept in the room. He loved his sister. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Rabbits run fast. She lost her cycle. They should learn English. Ravi was running. Match the subject to its predicate. आपको मैच करना है प्रेडिकेट को. We should learn music. The train runs on the track. The girls are fond of cosmetic. Walking is good to exercise. Everyone gets honey from honey. Beehive. The Gita is a secret book of Hindu. A mango tree is growing in the park. Lion is the king of jungle. Someone is knocking at the door. Bear loves honey. Okay. In the examination, the question will ask आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. What is subject? question mark, write with example. You have to mention the example also. क्वेश्चन सेकंड ये भी पूछ सकता है, what is predicate? Okay, write some example. Okay, ऐसे आपको एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. Okay class, thank you for listening this video. Take care.